Vivo V60 versus Honor 400. Two mid-range phones with very different characters. Let's see which one comes out ahead on paper. In the display department, it's a tie. Both use quality panels. Vivo leads in size, protection, and IP rating, while Honor takes points for higher resolution and a better screen ratio. Software? It's even. Both run the latest OS and UI. Performance is all Vivo V60. Chipset, CPU, GPU, and Antutu score. It wins them all. In storage, both have the same RAM capacity, but Vivo gets an extra point for offering higher RAM variants. The main camera goes to Vivo. Better stills, while video recording is matched on both. On the front, it's a draw. Both match in photos and videos. In battery, Vivo edges ahead slightly in capacity, while Honor takes a small win in wired charging, ending in a tie. Connectivity is fully covered on both phones. All points split evenly. Dimensions? Even again, Vivo offers more surface area, while Honor is a bit thinner and lighter. It just depends on your preference. In price, the Honor 400 is the more affordable option. Final score. Vivo V60 leads with 9 points to 7. If performance and camera flexibility are your priorities, the Vivo V60 is the answer. But if you want a more budget-friendly option with similar features in many areas, the Honor 400 is still a solid choice. That's it. The choice is yours. Like if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more tech content. Catch you on the next one.